Hi there everyone, this is Teacher Jess and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates of upcoming videos and tutorial. For today, I will be showing you how to create your Bitmoji and animated GIF file. I will still be using the Google Slide. So first you have to create your virtual classroom using the Google Slide, and then the number of slides would depend on the number of transitions that you would want for your Bitmoji. So in my case, I have here 10 slides because I want to have 10 transitions for my Bitmoji. So you just have to duplicate your Google Slide by simply right click and then duplicate slide. So in here, I have already duplicated my virtual classroom into 10 slides. And then after that, we are now ready to place our Bitmojis in each of the slides. So for my first transition, this is my Bitmoji, okay? And then after that, you go to your second slide. For my second transition, I would like to have this Bitmoji. And for the third slide, I would like to include this transition. And then for the fourth and the fifth, for my sixth transition, I will be using this Bitmoji. And then for the eighth transition, I'll be using this. And for the ninth transition, I'll be using this Bitmoji. And then the last transition would be this one. So you can also choose your own Bitmoji. You just have to go to the Bitmoji extension and then try to search on the movement or the transition that you would like to put in your virtual classroom. So suppose you have already finished placing your Bitmojis in each of the slide, then we're now ready to create our animated Bitmoji. Just go to add-ons and then select Creator Studio. Now, if you don't have Creator Studio yet, you can go to Google Chrome and download the Creator Studio extension. So let us check the Creator Studio. So in your Google search, type in Creator Studio. Add-on. And then select this one. So this is the icon for Creator Studio. Just install the add-on and then you're ready to go. So let us go back to our Google Slides. So click on add-ons, Creator Studio, and then create GIF. This will take a little while, so just wait until this pops out in the right side of your desktop. So we will adjust the following values here. For the output width in pixels, we will use 1600. And then for the interval in seconds, so this is the interval time in seconds for each transition. So let us use 0.5. If you want to have a faster transition, then you can lower down the intervals. Or if you would want your transition to be a little bit slower, then you can increase your interval. And then go to choose export format. So we'll choose animated GIF and then click go. So wait until the work will be rendered completely. And since the resolution is quite high, this would also take a few minutes before it will render completely. So there you go, you will see render completed. That means we have already created our animated Bitmoji. You can check your completed work in your drive. So let us go to our drive and check the animated Bitmoji. So you can see in the folder, the Creator Studio, just click on here. And there you go, this is now our animated Bitmoji. Let us check. So there you go, we now have our animated Bitmoji. I hope this video tutorial helped you in creating your own animated Bitmoji too. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and I will answer as soon as I can. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates of upcoming videos and tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a good day.